Here, Natalie, here's all the puppies, all the babies.
Oh,
I put them in the tote.
They're cute. Put them out here outside and let them play around. There's the babies. I wouldn't go out in the sun. Put them over here by.
Too much shade anywhere.
Yeah, in the front. Get out there and get it playing around. They're in their little playful stage. Yeah, we hear ya. There's the babies. There they are. There them little babies are. Get their little toy. Okay, pick up Zeus because she's wanting to see Zeus. She lives in California. Where you at, Zeusy? They all look like their daddy. Is this Zeusy?
Here's Zeus.
Oh, this is a.
This is Zeus.
Which, bring him over here. Bring him over. Let me see you, Zeusy. You pretty boy. Yeah, you pretty boy. He's cutie. Boy, they're just all over.
Spirit's the one with the dot on the back of her.
Which one's Spirit?
The only one that has the dot.
Oh, there's Spirit. Yeah, she's pretty. Yeah, she's a good girl. She's a good girl, Spirit. You guys get done eating? Have you fed them yet?
Yeah, they ate. It's
Yeah.
bathroom time for them.
Yep, there's one gonna potty. Yep. They're smart. Whoop, watch it.
Here,
Get
here's
by
your toy.
Get the toy.
Usually they play tug-of-rope.
Yeah. Where's that sock? Boy, I like to see them playing with the sock. There's the babies. There they are. Get away from the car. You better not get around that rose bush. That'll get you. It's got thorns. You get it. You don't want to get ouchy. Come on, baby. Come on. You know they're happy and healthy when you see them waggling that tail. They're waggling that tail. Yeah, there's a butterfly again. You're gonna get that. Get the butterfly. Go get the butterfly. What's he got? A leaf?
Yeah. They play with them.
There's a blue butterfly. There you go. Go there and see what's going on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You better get over there. Where's Zeus? That's hard to keep up with him.
That's Spirit.
Oh, what's the matter, Spirit? What's the matter? What's the matter? Oh, Spirit. You poor babies.
Spirit, she's more laid back.
Yeah. She's a good girl. She's the only one with the little white dot on the back. Yeah. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
And they all got blue eyes.
Yeah, I see that. They're trying to get my camera strap. Yep. Get her toesies. Get her toes. Go get them toesies. Go get the toesies. You're gonna get this here. You're gonna play with that. You're gonna play. Get it. Get it. Go on. Get it. Come on. Play tug of war. Come on. You want it? Go get it. Go get it. Yeah, you got it. They're curious around that rose bush. I hope they don't get a step on one of them little stickers off of it. Maddie, what you doing, Maddie? I see Maddie up there.
She thinks they're her baby.
Yeah. Get him away from the rose bush because that one's biting. He's going to get a thorn on his mouth. You need to stay away from them flowers. They got thorns on them. Where's Zeus at now?
He's the bigger one.
Yeah. Well, that's a female. That's Zeus over there, I think.
Yep.
Yeah. He's kind of the leader of the bunch. You can tell he's going to be smart. All of them seem like they're pretty smart. Zeus, what are you doing over there? Are you the only boy with all them girls? So he's going to go over there and check his sister out and see what his sister's got. But one run way over there. You stay away from them rose bushes. There's Spirit. She's up there posing. She's posing for the camera. You better stay away from my car over there, girl. What you doing over there? Well, he's back over there by the rose bush. You gonna get a ouchie. You better stay away from there. Okay, well, I think we better put him back in the house. Go get your tote. Come on. We don't want you out here in this old hot sun too long. They like playing out here, but get back in there. Come on, run. She gonna get you. That one's Spirit. Which one's that one?
Mika and Nala.
Mika and Nala.
Oh?
Where's Zeus? Oh, he's over here hiding. He hiding. Yeah. Guys, come back in the house. Say bye-bye. Tell everybody in California hi. Get your toys. Watch, try to get out. No, you stay in there. Bye-bye.